Hi, what's your name? Dillon. And yours? My full name is CallumGamer Thomson, but you can call me Callum for short. Let me bring out some of my friends. After Callum brought Ivan Doob over. This here is Dillon. Wanna say hello to him? Hello, Dillon. Hi, Ivan. I also brought my friend along. His name's Kaleb. He's a 2001. Hi, Ivan and Callum. What do you say we go have a dance party? Yay! Doing the dance party. After the dance party ended. After all that dancing, let's have some Tempest Cola to cool us down. You said it, Kaleb. What do you all say? Nothing. Leave us alone, 2810. Yeah. 30 minutes later. Sorry to interrupt you guys, but 1003 is chasing me again.
Get right here, find your baby.
Oh no.